So guys, welcome to Central Park in New York, the most iconic park here. And I hope now we will have walking tour of Central Park and you guys will enjoy. So let's start. अच्छा ये है जी सेंट्रल पार्क, द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक बट आई थिंक अंदर होगा कोई. So it's a very active park, happening place, but we already visited a lot of spots in New York City, and this one is looking much like happening, but different kind of happening. You can have a horse ride also with buggy. So right now I'm walking in the middle section of the park. So I think it's cycling track. Oh wow, so squirrels are here. सेंट्रल पार्क में वॉक कर रहा हूँ अभी. राइट नाउ आई एम वॉकिंग इन सेंट्रल पार्क. अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. Very active lifestyle here. A lot of people are doing jogging and doing picnics and just like that. So it's a wonderful experience in Central Park. Let's explore more. I think you guys will love this. There are some carts selling All right, thank you.
Ale kurde, to jest akurat dużo. Święta, no. Bieganie świadczy z niej. Chyba tylko tutaj. Jedno stoisko na sobie noże, a drugie skręt sobie skręta.
So guys, if you want to buy magnets and souvenirs, you can buy that also from Central Park. The magnet is like $1, $2. Keychains also $1, $2. You can buy from here. And now I think some concert is going on. Let's check it out. What's there? So guys, this was Central Park. I hope you loved. A lot of vibes, a lot of entertainment, a lot of enjoyment. People are enjoying here, doing picnic, doing rest. Amazing experience, amazing experience. I hope you guys loved it and will come with new videos, new experience. Thanks for watching. Central Park, New York. Amazing experience. पार्क के अंदर पिकनिक की जगह है where people are enjoying, and I'm just walking from that area. You can see a lot of people are sitting here, experiencing sunset and all that, which is wonderful thing. Yeah. So I'm just walking out. So guys, it was Central Park tour. Amazing experience, amazing place to enjoy and to do picnic. They have a spot here for dining, for coffee. If you want to buy from Central Park, you can buy that also, and then sit inside the park and enjoy with your friends, with your loved ones.